Today, we will continue working our best trading strategy combined with our best trading indicator. We will again focus on top-down analysis to find out great entry locations. Lastly, we will discuss how we can make better entries. If you are good to go, let's start now. Let's get back to the real price action trading. In this weekly NASDAQ chart, please notice this previous week low level. It is extremely important for us. I made a mistake with the label, sorry, but you got the idea. Now I'm jumping from the 1 week to 1 minute. It is like an intergalactic light speed jump. What you see here, a market open day in the New York, 9:30 a.m. I want to show you the price action here. We start with this nice support and resistance Philip line. Notice carefully, price rejects this price level twice. And then the level is strongly broken. Basically, it is flipped. This is why we call it SR flip, support and resistance flip. Some people call it break and retest levels. Actually, names are not important at all. Just focus on the price action. Once a support level now becomes a resistance. This is all the thing that you need to know. Now at this point, we are also watching our multi-level imbalances with our indicator. By using the ICT high time frame indicator, I can see the price action in higher time frames without switching between time frames at all. This makes everything much faster for me, especially for day traders and scalpers. You need speed and seeing things at once like this here. Notice this multi-level imbalance location here, which just collided with the support and resistance flip location. And if you look above, you can see the same thing happened before. So this is a pattern. What is a pattern? A pattern is a historical repetitive price action that guides us to take new trades. Very simple idea actually. Now we are all settled. But how can we trade this? Any ideas? Notice all the inner liquidity sweep when the market opens at 9:30 a.m. What is forming here? Just look carefully. An accumulation, then the manipulation, and finally the expansion. Some calls them as distribution. Basically, the power of 3 concept, PO3. And do we have a target to look for? Yes, we have this nice previous week low waiting for us below. I think you got the patterns and concepts here. Please do not start with the names. Names are not important. What important is the reading the price action. So the one way of trading this, setting small limit orders into the special places like this one. Basically the possible manipulation area from the PO3. This is an educated guess based on the historical data, building positions slowly into the interest areas. Secondly, what happens here is actually a micro market structure break, but in my opinion, catching this is not easy at all. It happens so fast, there's no time to react to this and what is happening. Lastly, another option, noticing the inner bullish imbalances fail with the manipulation phase. Now I may try to jump with market order with sellers, grabbing some cash maybe. So why do we get in and out? Yes, we have this previous week low as the clear target below. And in this case, it is really nicely hunted. But is it a God-given rule? No. Did you know it was going to hunt the previous week low for 100%? Not at all. The truth is, you know nothing and nothing at all. Nobody knows the future. No one can predict the future with 100% accuracy. This is why you get in and out of trades as soon as possible, especially if you're a scalper or day trader. Another thing that you must understand is the ranges. What if this was a range? A range deviation above and the range deviation below. Maybe the price was going to move like this. Who knows? I do not. You must understand and accept the reality and the truth. Trading has become much harder in the recent years. Everything is extremely unpredictable in the short term, especially for day traders. You cannot just hold positions for a long time anymore unless you're a swing trader with much more higher time frames. Do you want to survive in day trading? Get in and out as soon as possible. Cut your losses. Never lose big money. Master the risk and order management, not the strategies. Most people focus on the strategies so much and forget risk and order management, which is actually much more important than the strategies. Okay, friends, end of a great and educational video. Please stay safe and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you